With over 15 years of development, DIVI is committed to delivering safe, clean, and efficient energy solutions for Vietnam's industrial sector. Today, we are proud to introduce our 1,500 kilograms per hour electric steam boiler, fully designed and manufactured in Vietnam. This product reflects the innovation and dedication of DIVI's engineering team. The system features a modular design with 3 independent units, each producing 500 kilograms per hour, all compactly installed inside a 40-foot container. Fully assembled at DIVI's factory, the system allows fast on-site installation in just 4 steps, connecting power, water, steam lines, and final finishing. Each module is equipped with an independent PLC control system, featuring a touchscreen interface and seamless integration with the plant's central SCADA system. The entire boiler is clad in stainless steel 304, ensuring durability, hygiene, and aesthetics, ideal for food and pharmaceutical industries. The system includes 8 safety protection levels, 5 for overpressure and 3 for low water protection, ensuring maximum operational safety. The FlowX PN25 illuminated level gauge displays water levels clearly using LED indicators for easy monitoring. Additionally, the dark-type water level column with probes ensures high accuracy and long-term reliability. The system is equipped with 2 Feedwater pumps operating continuously to maintain stable steam output. The heating elements are made from solid stainless steel 304 tubes, enabling rapid heat transfer with efficiency exceeding 95%. Inside the container, ventilation fans, heat exhaust windows, and cooling fans create a safe and comfortable operating environment. Steam from all 3 modules is collected in a common header and distributed to the plant's production lines. A Deaerator mounted on top removes oxygen and non-condensable gases, reducing corrosion and improving energy efficiency. All pipelines are insulated with stainless steel cladding and clearly labeled for safety and easy maintenance. The system requires approximately 1,250 kilovolt amperes of power to operate at near full capacity. DIVI's electric boiler produces no smoke, no CO2 emissions, and requires no environmental monitoring. That is why many industrial zones are switching to DIVI's clean electric steam solutions. DIVI believes that every unit of clean steam contributes to a greener future for industry. If you are looking for a safe, high-efficiency electric boiler with over 95% efficiency, fast startup in just 5 minutes, and up to 5 years warranty, contact us today. DIVI, powering your sustainable growth.